Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Geico insurance policy in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do, you can contact Geico's customer service department. So you can just go ahead and contact Geico's customer service department to request cancellation of your policy. I did a video of the contact details, so you can check that video out and get the contact details to the customer service department. Also, you can submit a cancellation request online. So you can just go ahead and submit a cancellation request on Geico's official website to have the cancellation request done. Also, you're going to need to provide required documentation such as proof of new insurance or a signed cancellation request form, and you can also confirm cancellation of your policy and review any refunds or fees. So yeah, those are the ways to cancel your Geico insurance policy. You can do that on the online website, or you could just do that through the Geico customer service. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.